Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all extreme summer diet plan for weight loss to help you achieve 10 kgs in 10 days super easily. Recently my lots of clients followed this diet plan for immense weight loss and they were able to see a great weight loss happening, and so can you. For personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number and we can start your weight loss transformation with me and begin the journey. So without any delay, let's get started with extreme summer diet plan to help you lose 10 kgs in 10 days super easily. Starting with our early morning drink. All we have to do is for early morning drink, we'll have 2 glasses of plain room temperature water in the morning itself. This will help you to kickstart your metabolism and at the same time give you hydration in the morning itself. You can even squeeze 1 lemon to it if it's comfortable to you, or you can skip it altogether. Now let's proceed towards our breakfast options for extreme summer diet plan. First option is you can have chia pudding. The complete recipe of my chia pudding is yet again here, super easy, super simple to follow and very chilling in nature. At the same time, extremely important for people suffering from constipation to relieve it very quickly, as chia seeds are a great source of calcium, fiber and work as a natural laxative. So try this chia pudding recipe. You can incorporate any choice of your fruit, be it mango, banana, apple, strawberries, berries, whatever is seasonally available with you. Second option is you can have hunkered sandwich. The complete recipe of my hunkered sandwich is here, super easy to follow. All I've done here is taken some hunkered. You can use Greek yogurt as well here. Add cucumber, tomato, bell peppers, lettuce as per your own choice. Whatever you want to incorporate into it. You can even add some boiled corns and season it with salt, pepper, oregano, chili flakes and apply it to 2 slices of multigrain bread or sour bread as per your own convenience and have it for your breakfast. Super high fiber, great for your probiotic intake as well and keeps you fuller for the longer time of the day. Along with that, you can have tea or coffee as per your own preference. You would like to have it in the morning itself, or you can skip it and have green tea as well. Third option for your extreme summer diet plan is you can have mango peach smoothie. Recipe is yet again here. I've used here mango and fresh apricot or peaches. For consistency, I'm using here curd. You can use water as well. Blend it all well and your delicious mango peach smoothie is ready. It's high fiber and very amazing for people suffering from constipation as it relieves very quickly. And now moving towards our mid-morning snack. For mid-morning, as it's too hot this time, you can always have lassi or chas. It helps to reduce your inflammation in the body and also gives you very cooling effect naturally. All I've done here is taken 3 tablespoons of homemade curd. You can use Greek yogurt as well. Added some mint leaves to it, some black pepper corns. You can even use black pepper powder, lots of roasted jeera powder, some water from my earthen pot and blending it all together. And delicious lassi is ready. Have it sip by sip for your mid-morning snack. If you cannot have this because of any reason, you can always have 1 coconut water, but please make sure it's fresh and not the packaged one. It has great amount of electrolytes, helps with hydration and it's a natural source of electrolytes. So you can have 1 coconut water for your mid-morning snack if you cannot have lassi. Proceeding towards our lunch options for extreme summer diet plan. As usual, 1 hour before our lunch, we'll have apple cider vinegar in lukewarm water. All you have to do is simply add 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar in 1 glass of lukewarm water, mix it well and have it 1 hour before your lunch. This will help you to reduce any kind of blood sugar spikes when it comes to your weight loss journey. At the same time, boost your metabolism and cleanse your system very quickly. You can buy best organic Eat More Lose More's apple cider vinegar in the description box below. The link is given. Click it and buy it online super easily. Proceeding towards our lunch options for extreme summer diet plan. The first option is, and probably everybody's favorite, curd rice. The recipe is super simple. Now I've taken here cooked white rice. All I have done here is mixed 2 to 3 tablespoons of curd to this. Homemade curd it is. You can always prefer Greek yogurt or low-fat curd as well. Mixing it all together and then I'm adding to this a tadka which is made of rye, curry leaves and some green chilies. Mixing it all together and a delicious curd rice is ready. Amazing to reduce all the inflammation in the body, and curd helps as a probiotic. So very important when it comes to your summer diet plans. Make sure to consume at least 4 to 5 tablespoons of curd throughout the day to reduce the inflammation in the body naturally. Second option, if you cannot have curd rice, then you can always have curry, be it Punjabi curry, Sindhi curry, Gujarati curry as per your own convenience and have it along with rice. Works in a similar manner as well. Proceeding towards our next option for summer diet plan lunch options. You can have kebab salad. The complete recipe of my high protein kebab salad is yet again here. Super easy to follow and very nutritious as well. It's high protein, high fiber and great source of calcium, magnesium, good fats and reduces inflammation as well. Check out the complete recipe here. Now let's proceed towards our mid-evening snack options. For mid-evening snack, you can always have tea or coffee as per your own preference. If you like having it and you're addicted to it, so you can always have tea or coffee but without any sugar. If you cannot have this and you would like to have a very great amazing fat loss journey as well with this diet plan, you can have 1 cup of detox matcha tea. Helps in anti-inflammatory properties, great for antioxidant levels, and 1 cup of matcha tea is equal to 10 cups of green tea. Hence the antioxidant level is super high and amazing for your skin, hair and fat loss benefits. To buy the best organic detox matcha tea, the link is given in the description box below. You can go and buy it online very easily. Proceeding towards our dinner options for extreme summer diet plan. The first dinner option will be you can have a bowl of watermelon or papaya or muskmelon. All the fruits are seasonally available. You can have a good full bowl of it. These are water dense fruits and amazing for your fat loss journey because the more hydration, the more your body will remove any kind of bad toxins so quickly. Second option is you can always have paneer salad. Now the complete recipe of my paneer salad is yet again here. All I have done here is sauteed some paneer. You can always use tofu or chicken as well as per your own convenience in a grill pan with a little bit of olive oil. To this I'm adding pinch of black pepper powder freshly crushed, transferring to a bowl, and then I'm adding to this lettuce, cucumber, tomato and seasoning it with lemon juice, roasted jeera powder, black pepper powder and some fresh coriander. You can always add some mint chutney to this as well as I'm doing because it gives a very nice taste and kick. To this you can even add some 2 to 3 tablespoons or teaspoons of hung curd or Greek yogurt as per your own convenience if you like it that way. You can skip it also. And ready is your high protein salad. It's paneer salad. You can even replace it with tofu or chicken as per your own convenience. Proceeding towards our bedtime drink option. For bedtime drink you can always have 1 cup of freshly brewed chamomile tea. What this tea exactly does is works amazing for people suffering from insomnia, bad sleep, stress issues and bloating or water retention of any kind during sleep. Helps to promote good sleep and great for your gut health also. So you can have 1 cup of freshly brewed chamomile tea before going to bed. With this diet plan, please make sure to consume at least 2 to 3 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail because it's too much hot and heat in the season and very important to stay hydrated. So make sure to consume at least 3 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail. For personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmore-lose-more7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number and we can start your weight loss journey with me and begin the journey. If you like my video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of the meal recipes or diet plans and I'll be more than happy to assist you with. Let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this and how you are achieving your weight loss goals. To check out all my vlogs, what I eat in a day, how my diet goes each and every day and what my clients eat to lose weight every single day, follow me on Instagram and I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.